Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off Twitter, or you can say X, sensitive content settings. So when you open Twitter and scroll, if there is some kind of violence or graphics or any sensitive content, Twitter don't allow us to watch those content. So in this video I will show you how you can turn that off. So I will teach you for both Android and iOS. So right now I will show this for your iOS. So for that you need to go to your Safari or Google Chrome. I am using Google Chrome, and here you need to go to Twitter browser. So as you can see, you can type X or you can type Twitter. It will show this result. Now you need to do is hold here once, hold here, and tap open in new tabs. So why I am doing that? So if you simply tap here, it will open the Twitter application on your mobile, but we don't want that. We want the Twitter browser. So for that you just need to hold here once and tap this open in new tab. So after that, as you can see, it's on a new tab, and you need to close this and open this tab. So after, as you can see, we have opened our Twitter, and if you are using this for the first time, you need to log in. So it will ask your username or your password, and then you need to log in to this page. And after coming to this page, as you can see this, you need to tap your symbol, and from here you need to swipe down and go to settings and privacy. After coming to this page, you again need to go to settings and safety, and from here you can see this option called content. You see, tap here once, and it says display media that may contain sensitive content. You just need to check this, and after checking this, as you can see here, it says search settings. Tap here once, and from here, as you can see, it says hide sensitive content. Just uncheck this. So yeah, this is how you do on your iPhone, and on your Android you need to do the same thing, but on your application. So in Android you don't need to go to your browser, you can do it on your app itself. So if you go from if you go the same way and go to on this screen, you will be able to find the options called these options. As you can just saw, you will be find these options on your Android on the same place here. So yeah, that's how you turn off your